Rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Have my salam from over the heart. My dear audience, this is your friend, my Mufti Muhammadullah Bukhari, Shaykh Hadith of this madrasa, this new madrasa, Jamia Islamia Ishaqiya. The purpose of this program clearly done to all participants. I first would like for exchange and greetings. Honorable President of this program, Hazrat Maulana Mufti Abu Bakr Sahib Damat Barakatuh, Principal Jamia Islamia Ishaqiya. I also would like honorable Chief Guest, Chief Guest Hazrat Maulana Mufti Mas'udur Rahman Sahib, Vice Principal of this madrasa, Jamia Islamia Ishaqiya. My dear audience, my very much all participants of this ceremony, including respected one teachers of this madrasa, one student of this madrasa. It is today memorable me during my life, because during my teaching life, I have very many experiences and memories about my blessed mind. Hello, my dear audience. At this moment, I spoken about the Eid al-Adha, Inshallah Aziz, but Maulid Abdullah, my dear audience, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, A'udhu billahi minash shaitan. And when it reached Ismail alayhi salatu wassalam, with him a crash on. فلما بلغ معه السعي قال يا بني إني أرى